Hello guys, how's everybody doing? Just give me a brief second here. I'm just getting this together. Just getting it started. So just allow me a brief second. Alright, just bear with me for a moment here, alright? In the meantime, how's everybody doing? How's everybody's week so far? What's happening? What's going on? You know, just give me a brief second. Yes, yes. And almost ready. Almost ready for you guys. Just allow me a second. All right. In the meantime, how's everybody doing? How's everybody's week? How's everybody's family? I know this is a tough time for everyone, you know, with regards to what's happening. This is crucial time. This is crucial time. This is tough time for everyone. Hopefully everybody's weekend, everybody's family is doing great, which I hope that that's the case. And you know, I do look forward into hearing from you guys and to see what's happening, what's going on, and see how I could answer some questions for you guys. And if there's anything that I could ever do, I definitely would love to know how I can help. Okay, and there we go. All right, guys, how's everybody doing? As you guys know, I am Jean Jacques, and I am in the insurance, real estate, and finance industry. And you know, I bring contents to you guys. Hopefully, that is something that could actually help you guys out. I do hope that those of you that's watching this do kind of, you know, oh, excuse me here. Give me a second. I do hope that it's helping out. It's helping you guys. Yes, I do. And today there is, as you guys can tell by the name of this, it's the name of this today is reasons to have life insurance during pandemic time. I hope that this is something that's useful to you guys. I hope it's something that you guys could definitely use. You know, it, like I said, this is it's a great topic. I feel like it's a beautiful topic. You know, so definitely, that's what I feel, and hopefully that you guys could enjoy the topic and enjoy everything about it. And I do hope that it's something that you guys could benefit from, and friends, family members could definitely benefit from. If there's ever any questions, you guys could always comments down below. And on top of all that, yes, you guys could always comments down below and let me know what's happening, how I could help out. All right, definitely. This is what this is about. You know what I mean? It's about helping. It's about helping folks. It's about getting you guys the proper help that you guys need, and help just to help out. So if there's ever anything, just let me know. Deidro, how are you, my friend? How's everything? How's everything with you, brother? Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you. Thank you. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right? I'm still getting this going. I'm still getting it started here. You guys just bear with me for a brief second, okay? Just bear with me. Just allow me one brief second, guys. I'll be right back. Just give me 1 second. Okay, I'll be right back with you guys. Hey, Ada, what's happening? Ada G Official, what's going on, brother? Thank you. Thank you for showing up. Just give me 1 second. All right, yes, I do see some of you guys coming through, and thank you guys. Dejo, thank you, brother. Thank you for showing up. I do appreciate you. Ada, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. I appreciate you as well, and thank you for being here. And guys, I can't thank you enough, for coming here and showing the support. I do thank you guys. And if there's anyone that's definitely say, connect with one another and show. Okay, and don't be shy. Don't be surprised or anything like that. Just, excuse me. Don't be shy. Don't be surprised. Just show each other love, and that's what it's all about. I am bringing this content to you guys. I am bringing some information, so just sit back a little bit. You guys soon get to enjoy the information that I'm about to bring to you guys. And please share this live. Stay pro, what's going on, brother? All right, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Please, guys, share this live out for me. Share it out to your friends, your family members, whoever's that's in your circle, in your, and whoever that you have that's, in your mix. I would definitely appreciate it. Don't be shy to share it to whatever platform that you have, whether it's through, whether it's through Facebook, Instagram, whatever that it may be, wherever that it's at, that you guys have it going on. Please share it out for me, okay? I do appreciate you guys, and trust me, I definitely do. Definitely, that's for sure. And so, guys, I'm gonna get this going real quick so I could let you guys know. Definitely, Adam. Thank you, brother. Thank you. So I'm gonna get going with telling you guys, pretty much what I'm bringing forth with this. Today, this live stream is mainly about, getting life insurance, having life insurance through this pandemic time. Because there's a lot of folks that don't really have life insurance, and they go without life insurance, and a lot of times they're wondering, should they be getting life insurance or whatever the case might be. You know what I mean? And I want to share a little bit of light with that today, as far as do you need life insurance, or is that something that you feel that you should get, or is it, and I'm also gonna cover some of the reasons why some folks do not get life insurance. You know what I mean? And that's what we're gonna talk about today. So just bear with me for a second, guys. I am coming with this information, so hopefully you guys get to enjoy it. You guys get to understand what's behind it, and anything else as far as anything like that. If there's anything that I could definitely help you guys with, let me know so I could come up with whatever Yes, guys. Call promo. Don't say connect. Remove that for me. Remove that for me. All right. Don't use the word connect on there, because that's a spam word. All right. Don't use that word for me, brother. Just remove that word connect for me. Okay. All right. Thank you. I do appreciate. You. Just don't use that word. That word connect. Okay. It's just not a good word. So remove that word for me. All right. Yes, guys. Don't use the words like connect, subs, anything like that. Those words are spamming words, so they're just not good. You know what I mean? Call just call promo. Just remove that word for me. The word connects, guys. Okay. You could use words like "let's go," "let's be friends," things like that. Oh man. Okay. Call. Please don't use those words. Okay. It's just not. They are not just the best of words to use. Okay. Words like connect or anything like that. They are spamming words. So please don't use those words. Okay. Um, as I was telling you guys, there's a lot of folks. Happy Lux, much love. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Please, guys, give me a thumbs up as you guys coming into the stream. Thank you for those that are actually giving me the thumbs up. I do appreciate you guys. I love you guys and thank you. Yes, Louis Shams, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bonjour, brother. Bonjour. Yes. Yes, thank you. So, guys, please share out the live for me and anything like that. I do appreciate it. Share it to your friends, family members, whoever that you feel that's going to be beneficial to this. I definitely do appreciate. I do appreciate it. Okay. Yes, that's for sure. So, je parlais un peu de français. Oh, ok, definitely. Tu vas bien? Oui, je vais bien. Merci. Merci, Happy Lux. Merci, oui, je vais bien. Tout c'est bien par la grâce de Dieu. Et avec vous, ça marche? J'espère que ça marche quand même. Avec le Seigneur, tout va bien. All right, so guys, why don't I get going here into getting into the discussion of what this is really about. As I mentioned to you guys, this is reasons to have life insurance during the pandemic time, and thank you guys for coming in. Ça marche très bien. Amen. Oui, c'est ça. Ça va toujours marcher. Au nom de Jésus. And thank you guys. And please thumbs up the live. Donne-moi une pouce bleu, s'il te plaît. Ça va m'aider beaucoup. Ça va m'aider beaucoup. Donne-moi une pouce bleu, s'il te plaît. So guys, as I was saying, I'm gonna start with the reasons why. Let's start with that. I'm gonna start with the reasons why that folks do not get life insurance and what they say and what they talk about, and a reason being of why they feel that they do not need to have life insurance. And why is it that during this pandemic time? Hey CC, what's going on, sis? Thank you for showing up. Thank you for coming and show love. All right, Andre, thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. Please give me a thumbs up, and I do appreciate you guys. So I'm gonna start with the reasons why folks feel like yes, that's right, that's my sister. Why folks always feel like they don't need to get life insurance, and some of the reasons why they feel it's not necessary. And then I'm gonna move forward into telling you guys why is it so important, and why is it that it's one of those things that folks should get, and the reason why they should have it, and the reason why that's something that's super important that they should not miss out on. So that's one of the things that we are going to I'm gonna cover. So I don't want to delay this too much for you guys. Why don't I get going with some of the reasons? You know what? Why don't I tell you guys, some of those reasons prior to lashing them out on you guys. Let's start with that. You know what I mean? At least you guys will have an understanding of where I'm going with this. So the one thing is, folks feels like it is too expensive. A lot of folks feel it's too expensive. There's other folks that feel like I don't have any kids, or I am too young and healthy to worry about life insurance. I am too old and need life insurance, and my health isn't that great. I smoke. I don't work outside of my home. I don't have time to get coverage. These are some of the reasons why some folks feel like they don't need life insurance, or they don't need to have life insurance, or that's something that that's not in the radar for them. So, and I'm also going to give you guys some of the reasons why some folks should have life insurance. So let's start with that right now, right? So some of the reasons why folks feel like I feel some folks should have life insurance is anyone who financially supported by a partner, or if you have children, or aging parents, anything like that. Or if you do smoke and you're in your 20s or 30s and you're expected to, for you to continuously to smoke. So that's Stay promo, please don't use the word connect. Don't use the word connect, okay? You could use things like let's be friends or anything like that. Please remove that comment for me. Stay promo, please remove that word for me, that word connect. Okay, that's not a good word. Please don't use it. You could use things like let's be friends, or I show love, I give you love, or anything like that. So please do not use that word. Refrain from writing that word in there for me. I would appreciate it. Okay? If you could remove that word for me, Stay Promo, that would be really great. I would really, really, really appreciate it if you could remove that word for me. You know what? I'm gonna just remove it. I'm gonna remove it for you, Stay Promo. But please stop using that word. Anything other than that would be good. Please try to respect the rules of this chat. Okay. So you know what? Maybe I should just say it in Creole as well, because I know I have a lot of Creole folks that's on here. Guys, s'il vous plaît, pas utiliser mot connect ou on bail comme ça. Parce que là, nous utiliser mot qui connect là, ça va tourner en spam pour moi. Li pas bon pour moi et li pas, moi pas qu'à gérer spam là. So, pas utiliser mot ça, ok? Nous qu'à utiliser mot, on dit, nous qu'à dire comme ça, et nous qu'à dire, moi bon love et remettre en fait, ou comprendre ça, les gens, il y a une série de gens, nous écrit, nous connaissons bagaille déjà. Et pas utiliser mot connect là pour moi. Ok? C'était pour moi, et pas utiliser mot ça pour moi, parce que c'est lui qui utiliser tout à l'heure. All right? Thank you. I do appreciate it. And if someone that's on here that speak French, s'il vous plaît, n'utilise pas le mot connect parce que ça, c'est un spam. Et quand tu m'as donné ça, ça ne va pas marcher pour moi. Utilise le mot comme je recommande d'amis ou quelque chose comme ça, ou je veux que nous sommes en train de faire une famille, quelque chose comme ça. Mais n'utilise pas le mot comme connect. Ça c'est le spam. Merci, un grand merci. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, those are some of the topics, some of the things that folks, reason why folks should. Yes, thank you so much. Merci, merci, Happy Lux, and God merci. Yes, so those are reasons why folks should get life insurance. So now why don't I start going with explaining some of those reasons. You know what I mean? So they could share light on why folks should have life insurance during pandemic. Number one, especially of what's going on right now, listen, as you guys know, it's been crazy. Lately, we have not been able to say the word coronavirus or COVID-19. We have been banned from saying that, right? So I'm just telling you guys, it's been insane. Yes, life insurance is for free life. Well, I'm gonna get to explain that for you. I'm gonna get to explain it. So it's crazy. It's insane. We have not been able to say that. So hey, Cynthia, Worthy TV, how are you? Hi, yes, hello everyone. Please, guys, connect and show love to one another while I deliver this information to you guys. So it has been crazy, especially during this pandemic time. Oh my God, it has been insane. So that's why I choose this topic to bring this information forward. So let's start with understanding and saying, it's too expensive. Number one, folks usually say, now these are the reasons folks usually use to not get life insurance, right? So, and number one, they usually say, oh, it's too expensive. So what is exactly too expensive? There's so many different types of ways, so many different types of life insurance that's out there. It's insane to say it's too expensive because, you know, if you really want coverage, you will get coverage. Now, are we talking about coverage just bare minimum, just in case if something happened? Or are we talking about coverage that, you know, we planning on using for the future for our retirements? So there's different variation into life insurance. So that's the one thing they usually say, oh, you know what, it's too expensive, oh my god, I can't afford it. Doesn't that cost a lot of money, without even knowing exactly what, you know, is involved with that, you know. So that's the one thing you should definitely, you know, say, you know what, let me see what's happening. Let me try to get this together. Let me try to, you know, get some information about this to see what I could afford. Number one, what you are able to afford. And number two, you know, how do I go about, you know, getting this? How do I go about, you know, apprehending this thing? Because yes, at the end of the day, we are talking about life insurance. So that is true. It's crucial. Seriously, you know, the dollar sign, and you know, not just, and using that just as a reason basis to not get life insurance. You know, if anything, let's find out to say, hey, can I afford this? Or let me just speak to somebody. Let me talk to somebody to you know, trying to get this thing, rather than saying that, oh my God, I cannot get it. It's too expensive. It's to this. It's to that. You know, without actually knowing if you cannot afford it. So that's the one thing. That's the one thing I'm gonna say. So the other thing is, you know, some folks will say, "Oh, I don't have any kids, so why do I need life insurance for?" Yes, that is true. If you don't have kids, do you need life insurance? Do you not need life insurance? So in that case, yes, that is true. You don't have any kids, but shouldn't you? You know, who is going to take on the burden of life insurance for you just because you don't have any kids? So that's just, you know, that's me saying I don't think that's a reason to not get life insurance just because you don't have any kids or any children, and you know, to use that as a basis of I don't need life insurance. That's my take on that. Oh, people get life insurance. In what country? What country are you at? What country? Yeah, tell me what country. Life, you see, now that's great. If people get life insurance for free in your country, that's really good. Seriously, that's oh, Luxembourg. Okay, yes. You see, that's really good. So here in the U.S., you got to pay for it. There's a couple of ways to get life insurance. You could either get it through your employer, or you could go out and get it yourself. So that's the one thing. Hey Dayu, what's going on? Thank you for coming in. I appreciate you. Thank you for coming in. Yes, so that's true. Listen, yes, life insurance, you could get it a couple of ways. You could get life insurance either through your employer, or you could get life insurance, you know, going out there into the marketplace and getting it yourself. You know, also, transport is for free. Then listen, you got it going on. I'll tell you that much. You're gonna make me want to go over there. You're gonna make me want to go over there. So, you know, those are the few things so far. And yes, just because you don't have any children, that don't mean you should not be getting life insurance. You should be getting life insurance. Life insurance is a way, it's a mean to be sure that you don't leave your loved ones with the burden. You know, yes, yeah, that's a way that, you know, you don't leave your loved one with the burden of you know, carrying on with excess and things like that. Guys, don't forget to thumbs up the live for me, okay? Don't forget to thumbs up the live and share the live with your friends, family members, or whoever that's in your circle, with your neighbor's dog, whoever's in your circle. Help me to share out this live, okay? I do appreciate it, and I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. So those are reasons why, you know, you should be getting life insurance. So now, you know, some folks will, like I said, they'll say, "Oh, I don't have any children." Okay, you don't have any children. That's not a reason to, leave burden behind. To, leave your loved ones wondering what's about to happen and what's going on and anything like that. So I don't feel that's a reason. And here's another one that they usually say, like number 3. I am too young and healthy. I'm not worried about life insurance now. Listen, that's the biggest mistake. Let's start with that one. That is the biggest mistake someone could make. All right. So your parents should have had life insurance for you by the time that you was like 6 weeks old. Number one, is super cheap. They could get a real nice sizable policy, and it could have been done in a short amount of time to be completely paid for. And apart from that, guys, you could have get a great policy where it build cash value for you, and at the same time to use it in retirement. So there's many reasons to say, hey, you know what? I'm too young and I shouldn't. No, you should be saying, oh my God, my parents should have had this for me a while back, a long time ago. They should have had this for me. So that's one thing that we should really look at. Guys, don't forget to connect on here. Don't forget to connect. All right. Don't forget to connect. So the excuse or the saying, I am too young and I am too healthy and I'm not thinking about life insurance right now, or I don't need life insurance. That's one of the biggest myth about life insurance. Hello everyone. Hey Tina Monday, Ernest, how are you? How's everything? Thank you for showing up. Thank you for spending some time here with me. Thank you for coming to hear what I have to say. I do appreciate you, and I love you. If you're not friends with anybody on here, please do connect with some folks so that we could grow our family. We could grow our love. That's one way to go about it. And thank you guys. So that myth alone needs to go. Oh, I'm too young and I'm too healthy. And contrary, that's the time you should be getting life insurance. Don't listen to anybody telling you, hey, yes, don't listen to anybody telling you, oh, I'm too young. I don't need life insurance. I don't need this and I don't need that. That's the biggest myth. That's not the right way to go about it at all. If anything, the younger you are, the better you are. The healthier you are, the better you are. Reason being, because the cheaper that it is for you. Yes, that's another one. You're right, Dayu. You're right. So here's something, right? Folks usually say, I usually ask folks, okay, do you have car insurance? Yes. Do you have phone insurance? Yes. Do you have a phone protector? Yes. Do you have homeowners insurance? They usually say yes. Then I say, okay, why don't you have life insurance? They'll say, well, I don't need it. I said, okay, do you need your car insurance? Yeah, the law, no, you don't need it, but you have it just in case you get into an accident. Then I'll tell them, do you need your phone insurance? They'll say, no, I don't need it. Then why do you have it? Just in case if I break my phone. Okay, do you need your phone protector? No, then why do you have it? To insure your phone so that, okay, so you're going to insure everything else except yourself. That does not make any kind of sense. Because listen, oh, also, guys, if anybody's not is not part of my family here, if anybody's not connected with me, please do connect with me and leave me a comment so I could get back to you. Okay, so that's the thing. You protect everything else, but you're not gonna protect yourself. That don't make any kind of sense. Okay, you're gonna protect your phone. You're gonna protect your house. You're gonna protect the furnitures in your house. You're gonna protect the phone plan. You're gonna protect your groceries. You're gonna protect your bed, but you're not gonna protect your own self. Oh my God! Listen, guys. So some of these things it's just unbelievable. Seriously, some of those things is just unbelievable. So those are reason why you should be getting life insurance instead of saying that you are too young and you're not gonna get it, and that's the reason why, and this is not the reason being. Okay, so number 4, right? I know I'm cracking up. I'm cracking up myself. I am cracking up. So. Yes, let's grow, guys. Let's grow. That's right. Let's grow. Let's grow. Let's connect with one another. That's right. So here's the number 4. Oh, I'm too old to need life insurance. You too old to need life insurance? Okay, now you really need life insurance. When are you going to get it if you're too old to need life insurance? Wait, I'm sorry. So when you actually gone and no longer and expired. So when you die, that's when you're gonna need it. That makes no sense. So you skip the opportunity to get it when you was a baby. That part I can't blame on you. That's on your parents. Your parents should have had that for you. All right. So now you're in your 20s. You missed that era as well. This one is starting to be on you, but not totally, because you're still not fully mature yet to understand the concept of, building life insurance. Now we're gonna move into, okay, you older now, and now you a little bit older, and you don't need life insurance. That makes no sense at all. When you actually need it the most and you don't want it. Here's the thing. Here's the other piece, guys. It's not something you could just get just because you want it. You have to be approved to get it, right? So there's folks that have the money, but at the same time, they just cannot get it. The company will not approve you. They will not approve you to get it, because here's the reason being: your health is your number one piece of assets. That's the one thing. Your health is so important when it comes to life insurance. Your health is your number one key to getting life insurance. And now the older you get, the less likely your health is becoming in the best shape that it was. As we know, when we was 5, we jumped and do all kind of crazy stuff, jumped on garbage can and all that stuff, and fall down from rollerblading and skating and all kind of crazy things. So now when we in our 20s, we start to feel a little bit less less likely to do those kind of things, right? So now when we in our mid-20s, we start to slow down even more. When we in our 30s, we slow down even more. So there you go, guys, which is why I'm telling you guys, life insurance is very serious. It's not something to be taken lightly. It's serious. So the older you get, the more likely you are to not be approved by these companies. Now let's move from that and let's get to, my health isn't great. Your health isn't great? Okay, perfect, no problem. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Happy Lux. Thank you, merci. And so now okay, so now your health isn't that great. No problem. Now let's find a policy that's going to help your health, that matches your health or your criteria along that line. Because, okay, no problem. It's not. So now we having health complication. Let's see what it looks like through the underwriting process. Let's put your application forth. Let's get your application in there so that we know what we're looking at, right? That's one way to actually figure it out, and saying, okay, you know what, this is what we need, right? So we know. Yeah, thank you, Sissy. Thank you. So that's one thing that okay, you know what, my health is not the best at all. So here's what I'm gonna do now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and speak to an advisor, speak to an agent, and see what am I able to do with regards to this. So that's a win-win for you. So don't let that be the reason why I'm not gonna get life insurance because my health sucks. Oh, my health is the worst. I know I'm not gonna get it. You don't know that. You have no idea if that's true or not. You have no idea about that. So listen, so that means you need to speak to someone, you need to sit down with someone to see if that's actually the truth. Can you actually do get life insurance? Are you going to be able to get life insurance? Don't make the decision based on yourself, based on your thought process, and saying, hey, I'm gonna take it up on myself to not get life insurance. Reason being, because I don't believe I'll be able to get it. So that's not cool. Don't shortchange yourself. So now here's another one. Here's another one for you. Oh, you know what? I'm a smoker. Oh, so now because you are a smoker, and that means you're not gonna work onto getting life insurance. Okay, so you're not gonna get it because you smoke. There's tons of people that smokes that have life insurance. There's so many people that smokes that have life insurance. So don't let smoking be the reason why you're not gonna get life insurance. Don't get me wrong. That doesn't mean that just because that you smoke now, it's gonna be just like peaches and cream. Yeah, it's not. That's the truth of that. But at the same time, you are able to get life insurance. You are able to actually have your own policy. You are able to do a lot of things. So the fact that I smoke, that's not gonna stop me. No, that's not gonna stop me. That shouldn't be the reason to stop you because that you smoke, and you're not going to get a policy. You're not gonna get a life insurance policy. That's not a reason. That's not a reason to not get it. I'm just telling you that's not a reason at all. If anything, being that you smoke should be a reason to start thinking about getting life insurance. Should be a reason to say, you know what, I'm going to get life insurance. Not the reason to deter you from getting life insurance. So don't let that be the reason. Oh my God, I smoke. So now I'm totally out for life insurance. That's just, no, that's just not right. Don't shortchange yourself. Here's another one for you. Oh, I work inside of my house, so why do I need life insurance for? Well, since when life insurance was a correlation, had something was depending based on you working at home? If anything, great. You working at home, that should be a reason for you to get life insurance because you're not doing a dangerous job. So therefore, you could rest in peace that you're gonna apply, and companies will say, "Hey, great, you know what? Let's get it going." So those are some reasons why folks usually say, "Oh, I'm not gonna get life insurance." Or here's another one. Here's another one for you. You know, oh, I don't have time to get coverage. Wait, you don't have time to get coverage? Okay, perfect. I'm happy to hear that one. Do you have time to eat? Do you have time to take a shower? Do you have time to go use the restroom? Do you have time to sleep? Do you have time to walk? Do you have time to go to work? Do you have time to drive? Do you have time to watch sport? Do you have time to watch your favorite TV show? Oh, wait. Do you have time to talk to your friends? Then, of course, you have time to get coverage. So, wait, you're going to have the time to pay your phone bill, or you're going to have the time to go look for a new phone bill, to go search for car insurance, to go search for the best car, but you don't have time to go get coverage. That does not seem to be right. And I don't think that makes a lot of sense. If anything, you should be saying, you know what? I need to make time to go sit with someone so they can help me to get coverage. That's what should be saying. Not, I don't have the time. That don't make any kind of sense. It don't make any kind of sense. So, use the time wisely. Listen, look at what's happening now during this pandemic time. Everybody now is saying, well, let me not say everybody, let me not too exaggerate things. Folks want life insurance. Folks is looking for life insurance at this present moment. But however, they failed to understand at one point it wasn't such a big thing to get life insurance for them. It wasn't so upfront in the means for them because you know why? This wasn't happening. Now that, some folks is actually getting ill and they're not actually feeling that great. So they're using this now as a crutch and as a way, as an eye opener, as a wake up call to say, you know what? I need this. I need life insurance. I need to have this. What if this happens to me? What if that happens to me? What's going to happen to this? What's going to happen to that? Now folks is looking everywhere to trying to get themselves set up, to trying to get themselves coverage, to trying to deal with this kind of situation. So listen, guys, before we get to that point, let's get this, started the right way for you. Let's actually go and get you covered, get you situated, get you all right. You know, don't let something to happen, and that's when we're saying to close the gate when things already done went off. You know, the tangent. No, let's not do that. You know, this is the time for us to say, you know what? Let me talk to somebody. Let me speak to someone into getting this coverage. Let me speak to somebody. This is right. This is crucial. So this is the time that I should be getting coverage. It's pretty. Actually, it's the right time. It's just the right time for you. Don't let this be the reason for you to not get coverage. You know what I'm saying? Because you're just gonna sell. It just won't be a good thing for you. Don't wait. The longer you wait, the more expensive it is. The worse that it becomes. So why wait? There's no need to wait. Don't wait on that. Go get coverage. Go do what you need to do. Go do what's necessary. Go do what needs to be done. Don't wait till things. Don't wait till things is kind of like going off the tangent, and then that's when you're trying to get coverage. It's not a good thing for you. It won't be that good. And I don't want it to be something like that for you, because I know this is something that you probably going to need. It's something that I feel like everybody need. It's not just something that, oh, I don't feel that I need it because of this and that. You need it. You need it. It's something that you need. It's something that you need to. Oh, hey guys, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. My boy is here. Give me a brief second, and I'll be right with you guys. Yeah, sorry guys. So yes, don't use that as a way to say you don't need it, or that's not this is this is that. It's just not a good thing for you to look at it that way. Deidro, thank you, brother. Thank you. Yes, thank you. And guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right. Don't forget to thumbs up the live for me, guys. I do appreciate it. Actually, today, look, if oh, Kevin Elaine, hi, how are you? Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for coming in. Thank you. Harvest Michael, thank you so much. Michelle, sorry. Thank you for coming up. Thank you for coming through and sharing and spending some time with me. I do appreciate you guys. So yes, guys, don't use that as a reason to say, false king. Yes, sir. How are you, my friend? How's everything? It's so good to see you on here, brother. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you for coming in here. If you don't have anybody in here, please connect with them. Hey, listen, guys, my brother False King is in the house. Listen, connect with him and let's show some love, guys. If you don't have someone in here, please show love and let's grow. Let's be a family. Let's show love to one another. Let's spread the love. Okay, let's do that. So yes, don't let that be the reason, guys, of the reason why you're not getting life insurance. To say you don't have time to get yourself coverage, you don't have time to take care of yourself. It's just not a good thing for you. And like I said, the older you are, don't get me wrong, the older you are is the more expensive this thing is. Who wants to pay more? I know this much. I don't want to pay more. I'd rather pay less. So I'd rather get this thing, out of my way, out of my hair, and get it taken care of now. Rather having to deal with and waiting and no. I want to take care of it now, and I want to deal with it now and get it out my way now. You know what I mean? So that's the way to really deal with life insurance. So now I've covered, the reasons why some folks use those excuses of why they should not be getting life insurance. And so now let's start with. Yes, yes, brother. That's true. That's true. Yes. So now I want to talk about with you guys, some of the reason why someone should definitely get life insurance, and and some of the reason why someone should definitely get life insurance, and without a doubt. So if you think about it, right, life insurance is an asset. It's an asset. It's a cash built. It can be a cash built-in asset, and it could be, family security. So it could be family security. So there's a lot of reason why that we should definitely have life insurance, right? So when you think about life insurance is actually one of the easiest ways that you could build asset. It's actually it's one of the easiest ways you could actually build asset. And oh, excuse me. Yes, life insurance is one of the easiest ways that you could actually build asset. Life insurance is also one of those ways that you could actually use in a form of, let's just say, a saving, or you could use it in the form of retirement or college savings. There's a lot of many different forms, many different ways that you could actually use for life insurance. So, I wanna touch into base a little bit to show you guys, to tell you guys, some of those ways, some of those reasons why folks actually do go and get life insurance, and what's the reason behind getting life insurance. So one of those reasons is it depends on what you are doing. Anyone that who financially support either a child or aging parents, you need life insurance. So let me explain that to you. If you have plan on your children going to college, or whatever the case might be, or whatever the situation may be, right? And at the same time, you're like, what I'm gonna do I want to secure my family. I want to make sure that my family is safe no matter what's the situation. Consistent place. Hello, how are you? Thank you for coming in. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to thumbs up the live for me, guys. Don't forget to share the live for me, guys. And don't forget to share the live with your friends, family members, your co-workers, your neighbors' neighbors, whoever's in your circle, whoever's in your family members, your cousins, your aunts, your niece, your nephew, whoever it may be. Guys, I'm going Creole for a second. Guys, pas oublier pour nous partager live là pour moi avec amis nous, famille nous, et voisinage nous, tonton nous, ma tante nous, cousine, frère, sœur, et bon, chien voisinage là, quel que soit moun qui nan sec ou senti qui a bénéficié dans live là, ou senti que live là et information ça bon information pour lui, partager la avec lui pour moi pour moun sa ka bénéficier tout dans ça m'a parlé, okay? So yes guys, so like I was saying, like I was saying, uh, so it's an asset based types of situation. It's not just, hey, listen, I'm just gonna get life insurance and I really don't need it, and I really don't know why I need it for, or I really don't know why I need to have it. So if you never really thought about why you should have life insurance, I'm gonna give you some of the reasons why you really should have life insurance, and some of the reasons why life insurance is important, and also the reason why life insurance should be one of the key components that you should set up prior to anything. So let's start with that, right? So if you support, and I really mean that, if you support anyone, like let's say, for an example, you support somebody that's a child. You co you your income is a co-income inside the home, meaning that you and your husband, you and your spouse, you and your wife and your wife, your husband and your husband, you guys put your money together to pay the bills, to take care of the home, right? Therefore, that's a reason enough to have life insurance. If you have young children, you a young family, that's a reason why you should have life insurance. That's, those are reasons why. So if you have an older parent that you are caring for, an older parent that depends on you for help, that depends on you for income, that depends on you for different things that money could actually get done for. So, and that's the reason why you should get life insurance. Those are reasons why life insurance is super important. Because I'm gonna explain it to you. Let me explain it to you. Number one, let's start with the husband and the wife, or the wife and the wife, or the wife and the husband and the husband, right? No discrimination here. Let's just be honest and let's just call it for what it is. It's life insurance. That's what we are talking about. So let me start with that. So your partner depends on you, right? So if your partner depends on you, so therefore that's a reason enough. That's a major reason to have life insurance. You just purchased a home, or you guys live in an apartment, living your life real nice and cozy, and the next thing you know that happened, boom, something happens to one of you guys, right? Hello, Rabita. How are you? Thank you so much. I hope I didn't butcher your name. And if I do, I apologize. Thank you, and thank you for coming in. And yes, happy Friday to you. Yes, I like that. Yes, the word of happiness. Happy Friday. I love that. Yes, that's the word I've been looking for. So guys, like once again, if there's anyone that's in here that you don't have, show some love to them, and show each other love, and in a respectful way, and connect with one another and show each other love, and let's grow as a family. And we are family, so let's stay blessed. Yeah. Oh wow, oh my God, I love you. Thank you. Yes, let's stay blessed, and let's show each other love, and let's spread the love, and let's grow as a family, as a unit, as of one, and let's just make it happen, okay? So, like I was saying, that other person depends on you, right? That other person relies on you to be there for them if something happens. Okay, now something happens. If you have life insurance in place, now you'll be able to make the next move, rather of creating a legacy and taking care of yourself while you grieve. Don't get me wrong, money will never bring that person back. It will never bring that person back. However, money will help to soothe the pain. There's no need to feel more pain on top of pain when pain already exists. So yes, that's true. Healthcare. Listen, listen, healthcare folks, those are a strong group of folks. Let me tell you, to be out there, especially right now, with what's happening, with what's going on, listen, this is amazing what they are doing, to actually go out there and actually, being caring for other folks, and while they try to care for themselves. Listen, that's a strong move. Let me tell you, that's a very strong and powerful move. And I pray for them every day. Just so you know, my wife, she's in the hospital. She works in the hospital. So therefore, I pray every day that, she's fine, because she still has to go out there and do what she has to do, because that's why her job is required, is to be out there in the hospital and care for other folks. So let me tell you, I'm worried every day. But being that I know, Jesus is here and we covered under the blood of Jesus, so, that kind of gives me the assurance that we are fine. That's my first rule of insurance, is to be covered. So we are definitely covered under the protection of Jesus. So that's one thing that keeps us safe and not worried. And then the other part is, of course, she is covered with life insurance and everything else. Let me not start going off a tangent, because I know I can go definitely on a tangent. So let me not do that. Let me stop myself for a second. So yes. So guys, if anything like that is happening, you need to have life insurance. You should have life insurance. Yes, amen, amen, brother, amen. So you should have life insurance. There's no reason to not have life insurance if you have someone depended on you. Let's look at another form of why the children is a reason why you should have life insurance if you have kids. So if you have kids, here's the thing. If you have kids, the reason why you should have life insurance if you have kids is this. If you have kids, you planning on your kids going to college, you planning on your kids, living a good life, what parents does not want their kids to have a great life? What parents does not want their kids to go to college? What parents does not want their kids to succeed and do better and better than what they did? Listen, I know I do. I want my kids to go to college. I want my kids to do better than what I did. I want my kids to be further ahead than what I went. I want my kids to be 100% better than what I did. So therefore, I help to secure their future. We got to understand our children, our kids is our baseline foundation as an asset. How you raise them up, how you treat them, and how you care and cherish them is what the finished end product's going to be. So listen, let me go into life insurance. Let me not start preaching about that. That'll be about something on another live stream. So here it is, right? We looking at it as, okay, I want my children to go to college. Here's the great part about that. You don't have to die. Asmin Slater, hi, how are you? Thank you for coming in. And please thumbs up the live for me. I appreciate you. And thank you for coming in. If there's anyone in here that you are not connected with, please connect with them so that we could grow our family tree, so we could grow our family line. After all, we are one family, one love. And I love you guys. Please thumbs up the live for me. And don't forget to become friends. Don't forget to become family with anyone that's actually on here. Don't forget to to do that, because it's important. All right. So yes, guys. So like I was saying, you don't have to. Oh, Peanut Habit! Oh my God! Yes, Peanut Habit, how are you? Thank you for coming in, guys. Listen, let me tell you guys. If you guys do not have Peanut Habit, grab her now. Take her, and not even worry about it. Thank you so much, Peanut. Listen, take her. I grew under her live stream. Do not make the mistake to not be in her family line. Take her now. I'm telling you guys, listen, if you guys do not have Peanut Habits, as a matter of fact, I'm going to drop her link. Listen, if you guys do not have her, right, I'm telling you to grab her, to be friends with her, to be in her family, to whatever you do. I don't know what you're going to do or how you're going to do it or what you're thinking of doing. Listen, be friends with her, be family with her. Don't be friends with her, be family with her, because that's going to help you grow. I grew under her. Yes, I grew. Let me tell you. And she will show you the level of family. She will show you the level of what it really means to be a family. I'm telling you guys to take her, to grab her, to whatever that you guys need to do, you do it. Because you will not regret it. You will not for 1 second regret it. So yes, I'm telling you guys to listen. Do not make that mistake. Do not make that mistake, and definitely be family with her. You will not regret it, and you will love it, and you will come back and tell me I was right. So definitely, you should do that. So yes, you should definitely do that. Guys, do not miss the opportunity to connect with her. Do not miss it. And I'm telling you guys, do not miss it. Do not miss it. Yes. So guys, as I was saying, you plan on your kids going to college. You planning on your kids, finishing school. Life insurance is the right and proper way to do it. Life insurance is the way for that to actually get done. And you don't have to, nothing has to happen. You don't have to pass away. You don't have to die. No one has to die. Everybody could live and have a healthy and happy life using life insurance. Life insurance is the most crucial piece of asset to have. It's the one way you could get tax-free income. Where have you ever hear you're not going to pay taxes on any gain, on any money that you get? Listen, we all know the government wants its peace. There's no way you're going to have, there's no way. It's just, there's no way you're going to have an investment asset that you created for yourself and you're not gonna pay taxes on it. Everybody pays taxes unless you are in that top 1%. So therefore, if you don't want to pay taxes, life insurance is the way to go. Life insurance is the way to have it done. Life insurance is the way to get it done. So do not miss out on getting life insurance. Do not miss out on not letting someone help you to get life insurance. Life insurance is the most crucial way to get this done. Guys, I'm telling you guys, do not miss out on Pina Habit. Do not let her leave and you are not friends with her, because I'm telling you guys, this will grow your channel. This will grow your channel. It will grow your channel. Listen, those of you that knows when I started it, which is not too long ago, I grew and I grew big and I grew fat and I grew lovely and I grew nice, and now I am becoming a nice size. Listen, do not miss the opportunity to be under Pina Habit, because you are going to grow. You are going to excel. You are going to listen, I cannot stress it enough. When you go under her live, under her LS, listen, oh my God, the love that she shows you, the kindness that she gives to everyone, the love that's delivered, you are going to love it. You're going to love the experience, and I'm telling you, you're going to come back, you're going to be like, oh my God, JW, you are so right. You were so correct, and I love her. That's what you guys are going to come back and say. Don't miss the opportunity to go under her LS. Don't miss the opportunity to go under her lives. Let me tell you, you guys gonna love it. You guys gonna love every second, every minute, every moment that you are there. So do not miss that opportunity. Don't miss it. So yes, guys. So those are reasons why that you should definitely, when I said definitely, you should definitely get life insurance. If you have any children that's dependent on you, your partner dependent on your income, or you have elderly parent that you are caring for, any of those reasons is reasons why. Yes, thank you so much. Definitely, we're gonna stay safe. But listen. So those are the reasons why. So here's another reason. Typically, if you are a smoker, right? If you are a smoker, then you don't feel like you want to pay the smoker rate. Then you know what? Let's sit down with someone. Let's let someone show you the proper way into getting coverage that's suitable for you and your family. Here's how we're gonna do that. We could use term to do that. When I say term, there's a lot of, let me tell you, life insurance alone, there's like 15 different types. There's 15 different types. Yes, guys, please watch what you just think. Oh, yes, no problem. Yes, no problem. Yes, thank you so much, Pina. Thank you. So listen, guys. So there's about 15 different types of life insurance out there. Each one of them is designed for a specific case. Each one of them is designed for something. Like earlier, if you guys remember, I speak about someone's health not being in the best shape. There's life insurance for that. That deals specifically for that type of person. So if someone is a smoker, they don't want to deal with paying the rates of being a smoker. So there's life insurance for that. So there's terms life insurance that deals and accommodates something like that. So there's so many different ways to get covered. Do not let anything stop you in the mix or in the way of you getting covered. don't let that happen. If anything, what I'm gonna do, I want to start coming out with different life insurance and how you could get them and what's the reason why someone have them, because they are not all the same. But in the meantime, while they are not all the same, speak with someone that could actually help you. And don't let me also tell you this, there is so many different types. Precious Manuel, how are you? How's everything? Thank you. Thank you for coming in. Don't forget to thumbs up the LS, the live stream for me. I do appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up. And one thing is, please remove that comment for me though. Road to 1K, because that's a spam word. Road to 1K. Just remove it for me, okay? I do appreciate you. Just remove that for me. All right? Just remove that for me. That road to 1K, because that one is a spamming word, and you know, I just don't want the spamming word in there. So Precious Menu, just remove that one comment for me. You could write the one as ONE as, and then you could put the K behind it. So that's not a problem at all if you put that in there. Okay. So just remove that for me. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much for removing it for me. Thank you. So, yes, guys. So don't let that be the reason. Because like I said, there's so many different ways. There's so many different types of situations where you could get yourself and your family covered. Let me tell you, there's family plans, there's individual plans, there's all sorts of plans. So don't stop and say, you know what, I don't want this because, you know, I don't want this because, you know, it's just too expensive, or I don't want it because I don't understand it. When you're getting life insurance, be sure, and when I say be sure that someone, the person that you are dealing with, understand life insurance itself. They understand it. They know what they're talking about. Comes with questions. You know what? Google questions to come at this person, because you need to make sure that what you are getting is actually what it is. It's there for what you want it for. You know, to protect your family, to secure yourself, to secure, you know, what needs to be secured. So, you know, if and like I said, guys, please, if there's any question, please comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to respond to those questions. If there's anything that you have that you need for me to explain to you, please comment down below so I could help to explain those questions for you. If there's anything that you feel like you don't understand, and plus my information is free to you. Don't get me wrong, I'll be more than happy. I would love if you wind up being I would love if you allow me to help you through the process. I would definitely love that. But at the same time, if you know I'm not that person and you still want my opinion, I'll definitely be happy to let you know my opinion. So if you have anything that you need my help with, I'll be more than happy to help you, because it's about building, it's about keeping yourself safe, it's about, you know, keeping yourself healthy, your family safe and healthy, and also that, you know, it's about you getting secured. It's not all about, you know, a commission, a paycheck, because when I first took that role, you know, the whole thing is to help folks. So I want to help folks. I want to help folks, and I want to help you. So if you have any questions, let me know. If there's anything that you feel that I could help you with, let me know, because I want to be there for you. I want to be the person that's there for you. I want to be the person that helps explain the situation to you and the different ways you could secure your family, the different ways you could secure your future, the different ways that, you know, your future could be safe. So I want to be that person that helps you to do that. So here's another one. You know, if you work in a high risk job, you know, or meaning that whatever that you are doing is superly high risk, right? So if you have something like that, or you have extremely high risk hobbies, these are reasons why you should be getting life insurance. Meaning that, you know, you have a job that you in a position, your career is so dangerous that you could lose your life anytime. or you one of those type of persons that ride motorcycles, that does all sorts of crazy hobbies, that scuba dive, that that's want to jump out of airplanes, that wants to, things like that. Listen, don't be doing that kind of stuff and you not covered. Your family's not completely safe and secure. Don't do that. Allow somebody to help you. If you are a police officer, if you are a firefighter, a correctional officer, listen, don't go out there and buy a phone that's $2,000 and your family's not safe. Don't do that. Okay? Allow somebody to sit down with you and help you with the proper coverage, help your family get the proper coverage, that everybody is safe, everybody's under the umbrella, and everybody is all fair and well. Here's another one. Don't let your children grow up without having life insurance. And don't let them grow up without having life insurance that they are completely paid for. Don't do that. If you have children, that's not a problem. We all have children. I have children. But you know what though? Let's do the right thing by them. Let's have them on their own little policy that, we could actually get paid within 20 years time frame. By the time they're at your house, by the time they're at your home, they are covered for the rest of their life insurance. And like that, something just is that, stop from you getting life insurance, because that one is an easy fix. All right, no problem. Yes, thank you for stopping in. I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate you so much. So, don't let something like that be the reason why, you don't get life insurance. Don't let something like that, be the cause that your children is grow up without life insurance. Just allow me one brief second. Hold on, Bobby. Okay, I see what's happening. Don't let that be the reason to not get covered. Don't let that be the reason that your children do not get covered. Because after at the end of the day, our children is definitely one of those that we need to cherish. We need to bring up so that they come out as the best and better than what we was. So definitely that should be a reason. So here's hold on, Papi. Hold on, okay? Oops, give me 1 second, guys. So yes, guys. So don't let that bleed. So here's another thing. If you are self-employed, if it, if you oh thank you, yes, if you are self-employed, right? If you are self-employed, that should be a reason why that you get life insurance. Oh, Vinahaber, thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for sharing the LS for me. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes. So guys, as I was telling you before, don't forget to connect with Miss Pina Habit, because I'm telling you guys will not regret this, and you guys will love every minute and every second of it. It's one experience. So if you are self-employed, right, and if you are self-employed and that a reason why you should have life insurance if you are self-employed. Here's why I'm saying that. So if you are self-employed and you have life insurance, that's a reason for you to create income, built-in income, and have sustainable cash for the future, for you to clear off some debt that you had made on your business, for you to get your business to be better than whatever that you need to upgrade in it, or whatever whatever that you need to do. So if you are self-employed, that's another reason why you should have a lot of life insurance. You should over-insure. Well, there's no such thing as really over-insured when it comes to life insurance. So if you are self-employed, that's a reason why you should definitely have life insurance, and without even thinking twice. So to tie this up for you guys, just so you guys know, usually folks in the 20s usually think about life insurance. That's usually the time bracket of where they think about, having and getting life insurance. And there's no such thing as too late or anything like that. But however, it's a good time frame enough where they're still young enough to get life insurance, and it's superly affordable for them. So that's the reason why it's that bracket where usually a young adult usually start thinking about life insurance and start to have life insurance for themselves. And just so you guys know, there's no such thing as it is too late or anything like that. Guys, I'm pretty much done. And once again, I am Jean Jacquet, and I am in the insurance, real estate, and finance industry. If you have any questions for me, please comments down below. Shoot me an email, whatever that you need to do to get hold of me, so I could answer that questions for you, so I could answer those questions for you. I do appreciate you. I do. I thank you guys for being here with me, for spending some time here with me. And if there's ever any questions at all, definitely please let me know, and I'll definitely be here to answer those questions for you. If there's anything that you feel that I need to answer for you, I am definitely here. And I'll catch you guys next time. I'll see you guys next time. And if there's anything that you guys need for me to answer, like I said, comments down below, and I will return to your comments. I will reply, and just let me know how I'm able to help you. Okay? All right, guys, much love, and I do appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, CC. Wait, let me see. Thank you so much, Miss Mina Habit. I do appreciate you. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, sis. Thank you so much. All right. So I'll see you. I'll see you soon. All right.